Our pigeon pea stew is now ready, as you can see. So we're gonna take some out so you can have a closer look at it. I'm in my garden picking gongo peas, or we call them pigeon peas here in the Caribbean, and I'll be making some pigeon pea stew with the green freshly picked peas, along with added to it some coconut milk. So we'll have stewed pigeon peas with coconut milk. They're organically grown, they're full of protein, and we'll come back to you later showing you the process from the beginning to the end. I've separated the green peas from the dried ones because the stew I'm going to be making, I'm going to be using green peas this time. The dried ones I leave until later on, but I take them all out of the shells. I am shelling the pigeon peas. As you notice, this variety is red. Sometimes they're all green, but these are red. They're the same thing, but it's just a different variety. The dry ones I leave for a little while and just concentrate on the green ones, because the stew will be made from the green freshly shelled peas, and we'll add some coconut milk so that you can see how it is done. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making stewed pigeon peas from my freshly picked peas from the garden, already shelled. And to this we're going to be adding some coconut milk. Now I have the coconuts here, which I'm going to extract the flesh to make the milk. I've already started doing this previously, but I just want to demonstrate how it's being done. So at the top of the coconut there are 3 holes, 2 small ones and one that is much larger. And it's the larger one that you'll use an instrument to open so you could pour the coconut water from it. So I've already opened it, and this is the coconut water. Then after pouring the coconut water, I'm going to break the shell, the hard outer shell, which is this, and remove the flesh, which is this. And this flesh is what I'm going to be passing through the juicer to make the coconut milk. I'm going to be extracting the coconut cream from the coconut flesh. So I'll place the flesh in the juice. So we've now separated the coconut flesh, which is now quite dry, and we have here the coconut cream. And this is what is going to be used in my stew, right? Early on I had saved the coconut water, so I'm going to add this to the cream so nothing goes to waste. Then we'll put in some additional water to make it to how many cups we need for the coconut stew. The remains of this we probably could use to feed the chickens, as our chickens are homegrown and organic. We are now ready to cook our stewed pigeon peas with coconut milk, and I have all the ingredients that I'll need on the counter. We have coconut oil for sauteing the onions and the garlic. We have the pigeon peas, which has already been washed, and you can also get the green variety. We have green seasoning, and this I made beforehand with herbs from my garden. Then we have pumpkin, salt, pepper and a little sugar, and coconut milk. To the pan I'll add the coconut oil. The oil is now heated, so we'll add the onions and the garlic. And we'll reduce the heat to medium. We'll saute the onions and garlic until they are soft. We'll now add the peas, which has already been washed, and we'll also add the green seasoning. Which I previously made. We'll cover the pan for about 15 minutes so that all the flavors are infused in the peas. So we'll leave this for about 15 minutes before we add the other ingredients on medium heat. We've left this for a while on the cob to simmer, and now we're going to be adding our pumpkin. We'll add our salt, pepper, and a little sugar. And last but not least, we'll add our coconut milk. This will be really delicious when it's cooked. We'll bring it to a boil and then we'll turn it down and let it simmer. As you can see, it's starting to boil. So what I'll do next is to turn down the heat and cover it and let it simmer until it's fully cooked, until the milk has been reduced, and we'll have a lovely stew. Now this is 100% free of animal products. It is vegan, high in protein content. The final product now of pigeon peas, stewed pigeon peas with coconut milk. This can be made into a wholesome dish by just adding some non-starchy veg almost to the end of the cooking process, as we've already added pumpkin, which is a starchy veg. So we have a wholesome meal in one. So it could be a one-pot meal if you care to, and you'll get the benefits of your fats from the coconut, protein from the peas, starchy veg, which is the pumpkin, and if you add some spinach or broccoli or something like that, you'll have the non-starchy veg. So enjoy with us.